If you're a productivity enthusiast, you need to start journaling on Notion. Here's why. Imagine having all your plans, goals, and habits in one place. Notion is like your personal assistant, only cooler. Why is journaling on Notion a game changer? First, it helps you stay organized, so say goodbye to scattered notes and hello to a streamlined life. Second, it boosts your accountability. Writing down your goals makes you 42% more likely to achieve them. That's science, folks. And guess what? You don't even need to start from scratch. I've got a pre-designed template ready for you in the description. It's like productivity on autopilot. So why wait? Start journaling on Notion today and watch your productivity soar. Click the link below to grab your template and get started. Catch you next time, Productivity Warriors.